I am the rough side of Christianity. See, my Bible says the testimonies of the Lord are sure. It's not about the showmanship and flair and the guilt. It's about the ability to stay on the line and not be distracted with peripheral trivia, but that pressing in toward the mark. It don't matter how tedious and slow. That's not the value. The value is the press. The value is the faithfulness to the press. Year after year of getting waylaid and whipped and beaten. But it doesn't matter. You keep pressing. You stay on the line. You don't get off the line. Hold your line, boys. And you press toward the mark.